Welcome students. Today's topic is rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is the equal to the change in concentration of any reactant or product per unit time. Suppose if there is any reaction when reactant is converted into product, this is reactant and this is product. The rate of disappearance will be equal to the appearance of product. So we have to find out the rate of disappearance of reactant as well as the disappearance of product. So what is rate of disappearance of reactant? It is equal to decrease in concentration of reactant with time taken, which can be written as this is decrease. Decrease is shown by minus change in concentration by this delta, and this is your concentration of reactant is shown by this square bracket inside having R with time t, change in time. This is rate of disappearance of reactant. Similarly to this, the rate of appearance of product is equal to increase in concentration of product with time taken. It can be written as increase will be denoted like for with plus, change in concentration will be delta, and concentration of product will be shown in square brackets with P upon delta T. This is increase, this is decrease. Now what is the overall reaction rate? As I told you that rate of disappearance will be equal to the rate of appearance. So what will be the rate of reaction? It will be equal to minus delta R upon delta T equal plus delta P upon delta T. Now units, because suppose if we have taken reactant as solid, if our reactant is solid, then the concentration will be expressed in mole per liter. If the reactant or product is solid, then the unit will be mole per liter and time will be your second. So your unit will be mole per liter upon second. So it will be your mole liter inverse second inverse. Suppose if your reactant or product is in gaseous condition, then the concentration will be expressed in atmospheres. Then your unit will be ATM liter inverse or with second inverse. Now what is average rate of reaction? Average rate of reaction, the difference between the rate of reaction and average is only this, that here we are taking the concentration and here we are taking the average change in concentration. Only this is the difference. So what will be its formula? Which can be shown as now another is instantaneous rate of reaction. here we are taking the, see the time here is not the complete time, here we are taking a very small instant. Therefore the instantaneous rate of reaction here will be minus dr upon dt. This delta is for big changes, where this small is for small changes. This we should keep in mind. Big changes. Now rate of reaction when any reaction is having same stoichiometric coefficients. Suppose we are taking an example A plus B, this gives you C plus D. Now the rate of reaction here will be here decrease in concentration. Similarly, like this, increase in product, this is when we are having same stoichiometric. Now if we are having different stoichiometric, then now suppose if we are having different stoichiometric coefficients of reactant and product, then what will be the rate of reaction? Then the rate of reaction will be, suppose the reaction here is then the rate of reaction will be this m becomes, this is the coefficient of reactant A. This m will be written in form of 1 upon m, because this is reactant and here it is decreasing. So this will become minus. And this will be equal to the C, because they are product and here the product is increasing, so it becomes plus. X will become 1 upon x delta C upon delta T, and this will be equal to, again this is product plus increasing negative sign is added in reactants because they are decreasing. It shows negative sign in reactant shows the decrease in concentration of reactant, whereas positive sign shows increase in concentration of product with time. Thank you.